So today I'm going to Festival America with a friend, and I decided that I would try and make some kind of vlog video out of it. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. Now I just have to go and if I don't want to miss the bus. So yeah, so this is as far as my vlogging attempt went, but I still wanted to show you a few pictures I took and just tell you what Festival America is about. So basically it took place from the 8th of September to the 11th, which was yesterday, and it's a book fair, book event about American authors and books written by American authors, obviously. So it's set in the East Parisian suburbs, and it was apparently the 8th edition, although I had never heard of this. But anyway, I went there with a friend on Friday, and there weren't many authors and stuff going on because it was still the beginning. The most important things took place during the weekend, but I still went there and it was enjoyable. I took a bunch of pictures, I got a bunch of stuff which I wanted to show you, but first, here are the pictures. And now let's move on to the stuff I got. So I have this bag of stuff. Can you see the quote? I hope so. So there was a Shakespeare & Company stand, so of course we went with my friend because we love this shop, and it was the place to get the books in English because otherwise most of the publishers sold them in French, and of course I like to read them in English. So anyway, let me show you what's in the bag. First I've got this, which is the program. You can see the poster for the event and maps and everything, but it's not really interesting for you. Then I have got smaller poster and list of the events, whatever, that get to the books. The first thing I got is this adorable edition of Peter Pan, which I had been eyeing for a while, and when I saw they had it I checked out the price and it was okay for once, so I got it. It's so pretty. And I've never read Peter Pan, so it's the perfect occasion. Oh, and also I got it stamped. I had to show you. Isn't it pretty? I just love this little stamp from Shakespeare & Company. Then I got another book, which is The Fever by Megan Abbott. So she was one of the authors who was there for the event, but I didn't get to see her. I got her book because it looked pretty cool. Let me read you the summary. When Liz Daniels collapses on the floor during math class, a cloud of fear and speculation settles over the school. Parents and teachers scramble to protect the students. But how do you stop what you can't contain? Because Liz, beautiful Liz, is only the first. One by one, the girls become victims, betrayed by their bodies, becoming strangers to themselves. As hysteria swells, secrets will spill, and the safe world we've been building for our children will start to come apart. So it looked like a pretty interesting book, and also it's reviewed by Gillian Flynn, who is the author of Gone Girl. Can you see it? No, I don't think so. Dark, disturbing, and utterly unshakable. So that looks like a pretty cool book. And I also got it stamped here. It's so cool. So that's it. They also gave me a bookmark. Where is it? I got it there. That's the new bookmark they got at Shakespeare & Company with the events on the back. And I got one more book, which is The Interestings by Megan Wolitzer. Meg Wolitzer, yeah. She was also present at the event, but only on Saturday and Sunday, so I couldn't get to see her. But I think I've heard about this book and it looks pretty good, so yeah, when I saw she was at the event, I thought, yeah, this is the perfect occasion to get her book. So yeah, that's the stuff I got at Festival America, and yeah, it was pretty great. I think I'm going to get there again next year if it takes place again, which I hope. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and want to see more of my video. And I guess I'll see you around. Bye!